Brian from iWire. This is our 2011 STI, and this is our rear O2 sensor extension that you should use for every downpipe install, whether it's a Perrin, Invidia, Cobb, Grimmspeed, doesn't matter, you'll probably want this. In this case, we have a Cobb downpipe with a titanium Cobb catback, and we'll show you how we installed it and why you need it. So we're under the car now, and the key thing here is if you look at where the O2 sensor is up there versus where it is stock down here, you'll see that the rear O2 sensor moves about 6 inches back, which will cause stress on the harness if we don't put the extension in. So we're gonna add that now. So up here, we have the factory extension from the top of the transmission down to the bottom. Most people, to make up the difference in length, would unclip this and yank it. You can pull on this to get it to reach, but now it's floating, which you don't want. And then it's gonna put extra wear and tear on all of this, which leads up to the top, and then you're gonna have to put tension on the top harness. You don't want that because it's gonna cause extra vibration on the rear O2 sensor plug, the harness on the sensor itself, or even at where the sensor harness attaches to the sensor itself. Instead, let's just make an extension and then route it properly so we can secure the harness where it needs to go. And then back here, we can use this factory slot to zip tie it in place. And that way, the harness does not move. It stays away from all of the things that might damage it, like the shifter linkage, the drive shaft, and the downpipe itself. Final shot, just clip the zip tie, check everything looks good, tuck that down there. No more stress on your rear O2.